On February 23, 2024, San Diego police officers attempted a traffic stop on a stolen pickup truck. The driver, later identified as Evan Baltsas, refused to stop and led officers on a dangerous pursuit through city streets and freeways, even driving the wrong way at one point. After spike strips were deployed, Baltsas continued to flee until his truck was disabled. He then tried to run on foot but was quickly caught by officers and a police canine. A search of his backpack revealed drugs, burglary tools, and shaved keys used to start stolen vehicles. Baltsas was taken into custody and later booked on multiple felony charges.
3 tires out.
3 tires are out.
Speeds of 35.
Traffic is medium. Traffic is medium.
Astria 1. 2967. I'm 10-4 on the pre-planned deployment.
I have a assist request from FD for a
full stand vehicle occupied by 2 signal. The passenger seat. Multiple units in the pursuit.
For
I will
a
tail off,
female
please.
with a headache, fainting, and no food or water.
29 Nora, please let 05 Nora and take the number 2 stop, please.
2905 Nora, take number 2.
Yeah, I feel like I got all 4 tires.
A Vermont dispatcher rolled up.
Hey, Ballora, we're ahead. We can call it now. Still north on Morena. He's turning over here by the Bird Rock. Morena and Savannah.
North on Marina at Savannah.
A couple of those units in the back. This is a dead end here, guys, so just be ready for the foot bail. Driver door is opening.
Driver door is opening.
Alright, driver's out. White male, red t-shirt, blue jeans. He's trying to run up. Here, looks like dogs deployed and dogs on the bite.
Dogs on the bite.
Units, make sure to clear the car if you already haven't, and they'll take him into custody right now.
Ours clear, we're detaining 2.
Vehicles clear, detaining 2. $29.10 per month.
22 cent. We have 2 SIC vehicles clear. Everybody can drop code.
2 SIC vehicles clear, all units to drop.
2 units in the back, past the dead end here, guys, so just be ready for the foot bail. Driver door is opening.
Hey, stop! You're gonna get bit! Bus! 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 Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Put your hands up! Hands up! Gun away. Good if we walk up? Yeah. All hands on. Got Connor in here.
Just leash him up, Connor. Leash him up.
Grab him by the collar.
Flip him over on the stomach.
Okay. Yeah, I'm good.
Connor, go up there. We're going to pull him down here a little bit, okay? Stop him up. Hey, just do a quick pat down. Start
The dog, please! Please, the dog! Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay. Please get him out of here.
Walk this way.
Doors opening.
Ready now, white now.
Hey, put your hands up! Connor, gun away.
Good if we walk up? Where's the dog? Where's the dog? The dog!
Go hands on. Let Connor in here.
The dog, I'm sorry!
Just leash him up, Connor. Leash him up. Grab him by the collar. Flip him over on the stomach.
Where's the dog? I won't go nowhere!
Release the dog! Release the dog! Okay.
Yep, good. Connor, go up there. We're gonna pull him down there a little bit, okay? Pull him down here. Like an arm. Let's cuff him up. Hey, just do a quick pat down. Quick pat down.
Good dog.
He's good. Mostly.
Good dog. Oh, okay. Okay.
Place your hand behind your back.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Got it. Please get him out of here. Walk this way.
Okay.
You have any weapons on you?
No.
So, canine apprehension, no need for medics.
Oh, good.
1, 2, 3, up. I'm gonna go with bag ready? Yeah.
Fucking dog, man. Fucking hurts. You bit my neck. Look at it. Fucking dog.
Alright guys, let's just take him to the first car. I'm gonna cut his shirt off.
Alright, don't cut it, just take it off.
Okay.
I'm not going over there. Fucking dog, am I bleeding?
A little bit. Minor injury. It's right here.
No,
It's right here.
fuck out of here.
Want to get in my car?
I just want to take a look at this. Someone got gloves.
Fuck, man. You're a dog. Bit the fuck out of my neck. Fool. I'm not going nowhere.
Nothing right now.
Oh, man. Fucking dog. That's bad, dude. Look. You bit the fuck out of me.
It's a little puncture, buddy.
That's bad
That's it.
fucking. That dog fucked me up. Can you put some kind of like alcohol on it or something?
No, we'll take you to the hospital.
I don't need to go to the hospital. Just dump some alcohol on that shit, Holmes.
Alright.
A fucking dog, man.
You bit anywhere else other than your arm?
My back of my neck and my ear.
No, your neck's not bit. Okay.